Ever found yourself needing a little extra cash to bridge a gap? Let's break down how to use your Lloyds Bank overdraft responsibly. First, understanding what an overdraft is key. Think of it as a pre-approved short-term loan facility linked to your current account, allowing you to spend more than you have in your account, up to an agreed limit. To check if you have an overdraft and your limit, log into your Lloyds Bank mobile app or online banking, navigate to your current account details, and you should see a section clearly outlining your overdraft facility. Next, let's talk terms and fees. Lloyds Bank, like all banks, will have specific interest rates and potential charges associated with using your overdraft. It's crucial to understand these before you dip into it. You can usually find detailed information about your specific overdraft's interest rate and any monthly or daily charges within your account documents, or by contacting Lloyds Bank directly. Look for the overdraft interest rate and arranged overdraft charges sections. Now, for repayment, the beauty of an arranged overdraft is that as soon as you deposit money into your account, it automatically starts paying off the overdrawn amount. Image an animation of money flowing into a bank account, automatically reducing a negative balance shown on a dial. There's no fixed repayment schedule, but the sooner you can repay, the less interest you'll accrue. Consider setting up a standing order to transfer a fixed amount from another account or income source into your current account regularly. For short-term needs, an overdraft can be a lifesaver, but for longer-term financial planning, explore other options. Remember to always monitor your spending and your overdraft usage to avoid unexpected charges and maintain your financial well-being.